guys, it's Kelly on this beautiful spring windy day. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I just wanted to come out to our garden that is empty right now, and I'm gonna pot up our Vegepod for you to show you how easy it is. This is a Vegepod. I will put the link underneath the video so that you can read all about it, listen to videos on it. It is an awesome container to plant in. All the pieces come separately, so you could literally just take this top piece, sit it on a table. There's also legs and attachments so you can keep it on wheels. But this is really, really great for all times of the year, particularly the early spring when we have cold temperatures. This lid flips over and essentially creates a cold frame, so you can start your growing season earlier. There's also a watering system that hooks up to this, so you can connect your hose, set up a timer, and have it self-water. There's just so many benefits, and this lid actually will protect from insects and animals. So I know we all have to deal with that all the time. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to plant up my Vegepod from last year. I'm actually just going to take this lid off. It pops right on and off. I'm going to take it off so that it doesn't blow away in the wind right now as I have it open. We currently have soil in this, so last year we filled it with soil, and this year all I have to do is really just refresh the top layer. I kind of mixed it up a little bit, and then I'm using this awesome new blend that we got from Maine. It's called the Organic Raised Bed Mix. Last year, and actually in years past, we have actually sold all the pieces of a raised bed mix. Maine actually came together and produced something in a bag that's ready to go. So easy peasy, just grab the bag. It has compost in it, peat moss, biochar, worm castings, dehydrated poultry manure, kelp meal, lobster meal, green sand, lime, mycorrhizae. So it's all ready for you. You don't have to add anything else to it. It's called the Castine Blend, and I will also link that under the video as well. So hopefully you can see me. I'm just dumping this nice, rich mix into our bed, and you can see it. It's really, really rich, beautiful soil. It almost looks like it could be mulch. It's so nice and dark. And I'm just gonna put a nice fresh top coat on here. And then today I'm gonna plant cold season crops. So right now it is almost the end of March. So we're into the cold season crops, which are your leafy greens, your lettuces, your spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, your parsleys, Brussels sprouts. So you can plant those now, harvest them before you put your warm season in. And your warm season vegetables are going to be your tomatoes, your peppers. We usually try to get those in the ground around Mother's Day. That's usually our frost-free date around here. So following your warm season crop, then you can actually put another cold season crop in. So you can do another round of your leafy greens. And it's always nice to stagger your plantings of your lettuces, because I mean, how many lettuce can you eat in a week? If you're planting all your lettuce at the same time, you're going to harvest them all probably right around the same time. So it's just going to be really hard to eat all that lettuce, and it doesn't keep for very long. So a good idea to do for lettuce is to have multiple containers or multiple starts. So you can start some from seed while you're putting your starts in. That way you have two separate mature plants. They'll be maturing at different times. So I have a couple different gardens out here, so we'll end up planting them up and try to get most of our stuff in early and get it out early so we can get our warm season crop in. So you can see I'm just kind of mixing that right into our current soil. And then what I'm going to do is I have all these market packs, which are starts, they're already started. Most of the market packs have about 9 plants in here. So this is a great way to get your cold season veggies started if you're not into doing seeds. Of course, seeds are probably a little more inexpensive, but it does require some labor, some time. So right now I have some spinach. So all you're gonna do is pop your spinach out of your market pack. And there's this really great book called Square Foot Gardening where you can maximize how many vegetables you can put in each square foot. So I'm going to kind of incorporate that into this. So for spinach, I can actually put 9 per square foot. So what I'm gonna do is take the tags out. I'm gonna actually use those in here so I know what I planted, even though I can look at it and tell. And you're just gonna rip these apart. So you can see they have a nice root system. And I'm just gonna take each individual spinach plant out and rough up the roots a little bit and plant it right in our soil. And I'm gonna space them so that they're going in a straight line with 3. And I'll actually take a picture of my finished product because it's probably hard for you to see at that angle. And that way you can see how I planted this up for maximum production. And kind of broke each square kind of into a square foot. Leaving enough space for them to kind of grow. And what I'd like to do is then come back on here in a few weeks and you can see the progress and the growth, and you'll notice that there's no leaves in the holes. You don't have to worry about the caterpillars chewing up your leaves. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna plant some Swiss chard. Swiss chard is, I think, 4 per square foot. I'm also gonna do some romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is 4 per square foot. I'm gonna do some kale. This is the Dinosaur Kale. I think this will only be about 1 per square foot, maybe 4. They get a little bit larger. And then I'm gonna do some parsley. So parsley would be about 4 per square foot. So I'm gonna pot this all up, and then I'm gonna take a picture and post it. And if you've watched this whole video, I invite you to come down and check out our garden. Check out the Vegepods. They actually were on Shark Tank in Australia, and they're truly an innovative design. I'm offering anyone that watches this video and is interested in the Vegepod 25% off any of the Vegepod items. So you can build your own kit. They have larger beds, they have smaller ones. You can kind of mix and match to make it work for whatever you have at your house. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and we hope to see you soon down here at Aiken Back Garden Center. Have a great day.